In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down again, this time to choose More Security and Privacy here. Following that, tap on Autofill Service from Google, choose Google Password Manager, and tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock, and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!